Let's fix AirDrop if it's not working on your iPhone. Now open up the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Wi-Fi, and first toggle Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Next, we're going to go back out here and do the same for Bluetooth. We're going to toggle this off for a few seconds, and then toggle it back on just to reinitiate both of those. If that doesn't fix it, let's go back out here, and we're going to tap on General, and then scroll down a little bit and tap on AirDrop. From here, instead of contacts only or receiving off, switch this to everyone for 10 minutes. Now, after you've done that, you can swipe down from the top right, toggle on airplane mode for a few seconds, and then toggle it back off. And it should reinitiate that basically AirDrop to be able to send and receive files. Now, if this doesn't work, let's go back out of here to the very beginning of your settings. Tap on the general option, and then let's tap on software update. Check to see if there's software update. You'd be surprised how many times that fixes your issue. If you don't see a software update, just go back out of here, scroll down and hit the shutdown button to turn your phone off completely, and then reboot it and completely turn it back on. That should fix the issue. If it doesn't, in the general settings here, you can tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset here and then hit reset network settings. Go through the process of resetting all of these network settings back to factory default. This will definitely get the problem fixed. Keep in mind, if you go through all of these steps and you're trying to AirDrop, it has to be to another Apple device like an iPhone, iPad, Mac computer, etc.